Grade 10, so in this video I just want to go through certain things that I want you guys to be able to know in the test. So if I give you a floor plan with a north point, I want you to be able to differentiate between what elevation is which one. Okay, so if the north point is showing that north is this way, south is this way, what I usually do is I go and draw it in the floor plan like this, just for myself, and I know this is north, then this is south, this is the east side, and that is the west side. So it means if I'm looking at the north elevation, I would be standing here and I would look in this direction. Okay, if I'm looking at the south elevation, I will be standing here and I would look in this direction as the picture shows. Don't worry about the roof, it's just to show. Okay, so the south elevation shows the door and the window, where the north elevation shows that window. Okay, so it's as if you're standing here, okay, and you're looking in this direction. If you're looking at the west direction, west elevation, so die westelike aansig, dan kyk jy van hier af, so dit beteken jy sien weer net 'n venster. As jy in die ooste kant kyk, dan sien jy net 'n muur. Okay, so you're just seeing a wall. So I want you to be able to differentiate between the elevations, so jy moet kan onderskei tussen watter aansig van die vloerplan is watter een. So hierdie is die westelike kant, hierdie is die suidelike kant, hierdie is die oostelike kant en die noordelike kant, as jy kyk na die noordpunt. Okay. Then another thing, the electricity, the symbols, okay? So you'll see that I also will post just the symbols for each electricity. Okay, so this is like the ceiling light, so this is die plafondlig. I just want you guys to understand this is the electrical cord. So if I ask you in a test, what is this? You must be able just to say this is an electrical cord and this is a one pole switch. Okay, so I will put that on Google Classroom as well. So I just want you guys to go over the electricity as well. So if there is a question on that you would be able to answer it, okay? So dit is 'n eenrigtingskakelaar, 'n elektriese draad en dan is dit jou ceiling light, jou plafondlig, okay? So I just wanted to clarify that, okay?